or amino acid having aromatic side chain. These are 4 in number: phenyl alanine, tyrosine, tryptophan and histidine. Phenylalanine, tyrosine, tryptophan and histidine. Yes. Again, I told you that there are so many questions on the structure of these amino acids, so we must have an idea about their structure. Yes. Amino acid H, this is common to all amino acid. Okay, this is common to all amino acid. If side chain is methyl group, that is alanine, A for alanine. Okay, this is alanine. If you attach benzene ring or phenyl group, you can say like this. Phenyl alanine, you know alanine. You attach phenyl group, phenyl alanine. This is phenyl alanine. This is phenyl alanine. Definitely it is having aromatic ring. So phenylalanine is aromatic amino acid or amino acid having aromatic side chain. Okay. Now you know that aromatic ring, benzene ring, phenyl group is very large, can't be synthesized easily. So you can't attach this phenyl group to phenylalanine to form phenylalanine, or simply this is a mnemonic. Yes, you know methyl transferase. Have you heard about phenyl transferase? No. Means phenylalanine can't be synthesized. If phenylalanine can't be synthesized, it is essential, non-essential? It is essential. Yes, benzene ring, this phenyl group is large group, can't be joined easily, so phenylalanine cannot be synthesized easily, so phenylalanine is essential. This is mnemonic. Okay. Now tyrosine. Look at this. This is phenylalanine. If you attach OH at this point, this amino acid becomes tyrosine. So what is the difference between phenylalanine and tyrosine? The only difference is of OH group. Okay, so now you know the difference between phenylalanine and tyrosine. Okay, before going to this tyrosine, one important point left about phenylalanine. This is phenylalanine. I told you that this benzene ring can't be synthesized. This is essential, and this ring is having no polarity. कोई polarity नहीं होती, non-polar. Yes, तो phenylalanine is non-polar. Yes, we know that this benzene ring, this phenyl ring is not having any polarity. Alanine, no polarity. This ring, no polarity. That is non-polar. And if you attach OH, this is tyrosine. Tyrosine is, yes, I told you initially, in carbohydrate, any compound having OH, you will say this is compound is polar. So this is polar. Normally phenylalanine is converted to tyrosine. Phenylalanine is converted to tyrosine. Yes, I just told you the structure. This portion is common. This is phenylalanine. No need to write, just have a look. Yes, this is tyrosine. The only difference between phenylalanine and tyrosine is OH group. We found there is an enzyme, phenylalanine hydroxylase. Phenylalanine hydroxylase convert phenylalanine to tyrosine. This enzyme is normally present in our body, so normally phenylalanine is converted to tyrosine. So normally tyrosine is synthesized in our body, and which can be synthesized, that is non-essential. Having OH, that is polar. Phenylalanine essential, non-polar. Clear? So phenylalanine is normally converted to tyrosine by phenylalanine hydroxylase. Essential amino acid is converted to non-essential amino acid. Okay. If phenylalanine hydroxylase is deficient, then it is PKU, phenylketonuria. So in phenylketonuria, which enzyme is deficient? Question. Phenylalanine hydroxylase is deficient. In phenylketonuria, phenylalanine hydroxylase is deficient. Question. If phenylalanine hydroxylase is deficient, phenylalanine will not be converted to tyrosine. Tyrosine cannot be synthesized. If tyrosine cannot be synthesized, that becomes essential. So question is asked, tyrosine become essential amino acid in phenylketonuria. Question. Tyrosine becomes essential amino acid in phenylketonuria. Tyrosine becomes essential amino acid in phenylketonuria. Clear? Okay. Now, so phenylalanine, tyrosine. We know these two aromatic amino acid. A question about tyrosine. Tyrosine is precursor for thyroid hormone. Tyrosine is precursor for thyroid hormone. Tyrosine is precursor for dopamine, norepinephrine, epinephrine. Catecholamines. Tyrosine is converted to melanin by enzyme tyrosinase. Tyrosine is converted to melanin by tyrosinase, and the question is asked, tyrosinase is an oxidase. Yes, oxidation means burning. If you oxidize a compound, if you burn a compound, you will, yes, if you burn a tire, tire of a vehicle, you will find a black pigment. Yes, you may make mnemonic. Tyrosine, tire, if it is oxidized, it produces black pigment melanin. Tyrosinase is absent in albinism. Yes, tyrosinase is absent in albinism. So these are common question on tyrosine. Now So till now we have discussed two aromatic amino acid, those are phenylalanine and tyrosine. Now we come to a third aromatic amino acid, that is tryptophan. This portion is common to all amino acid. Now there is no need to remember the exact structure of side chain of tryptophan, just remember this. Say tryptophan is having bulky side chain. Tryptophan is having bulky side chain or large side chain. Yes, it is large bulky side chain, can't be synthesized, and anything which can't be synthesized, that is essential. So tryptophan is essential. Question is asked that this ring is called indole ring. Tryptophan is having indole ring, frequently asked question. Yes, निमोनिक बना देते हैं. इंडोल पूरी गोल, गोल है तो पोलैरिटी नहीं होगी. यस, नो पोलैरिटी, सो ट्रिप्टोफैन नॉन पोलर, essential non polar. So tryptophan is non polar essential. Clear? Having bulky side chain. Question: 60 milligram of tryptophan give rise to 1 milligram of niacin. Yes, frequently asked question. Yes, we know 60 milligram of tryptophan give rise to 1 milligram of niacin. Yes. Question. Now, tryptophan can be converted to serotonin by simple decarboxylation. Tryptophan can be converted to serotonin by simple decarboxylation. So simple decarboxylation, the cofactor is B6. Oxidative decarboxylation, the cofactor is, as oxidative decarboxylation, cofactor is B1, simple decarboxylation B6. Serotonin is converted to melatonin. So question is asked, precursor for serotonin is tryptophan. Question. Yes, precursor for serotonin is tryptophan, correct. Precursor of melatonin is, option A serotonin, option B tryptophan. Best answer will be tryptophan. Yes, precursor means at the level of amino acid. If one to choose between tryptophan and serotonin, definitely you will mark tryptophan. If tryptophan is not given the option, then you will mark serotonin. Both are question. Yes, you will find question melatonin, precursor for melatonin is option A tryptophan, option B serotonin, you will mark tryptophan. If tryptophan is not given the option, you will mark serotonin. Okay, so tryptophan, aromatic amino acid, third aromatic amino acid, essential, non-polar, and precursor for serotonin, melatonin and niacin. The fourth aromatic amino acid is histidine. Yes, histidine is also classified under basic amino acid. Yes, one amino acid can be classified under two groups, just like tyrosine. I classified, yes, tyrosine in amino acid having aromatic side chain, but we will discuss tyrosine again in amino acid having OH group in their side chain. I told you phenylalanine is normally converted to tyrosine by phenylalanine hydroxylase, means tyrosine is having OH group in its side chain, so this may be classified under amino acid having OH group in its side chain. In the same way, histidine is having aromatic ring in its side chain, and histidine is also classified under basic amino acid. Okay, amino acid H, this portion is common to all amino acid. Okay, now no one is going to ask about the exact structure, but you must have an idea that histidine is having imidazole ring, question. Histidine is having imidazole ring. Having nitrogen. Okay. Wherever there is nitrogen, you will say this is basic. Yes, amine group is basic group. Carboxylic group is acidic group. Yes, we will discuss it again with basic amino acid. For the time being, yes, we know that histidine is basic amino acid. What about essential, non-essential? We will discuss with basic amino acid. Yes, histidine can be converted to histamine by simple decarboxylation. Yes, histidine is converted to histamine by simple decarboxylation. Cofactor for simple decarboxylation is vitamin B6. Clear? So these are common question on histidine. So till now we know 9 amino acid. We know the structure of each and every amino acid. Yes, 5 amino acid, aliphatic amino acid, glycine. Yes, if side chain is having H, that is simplest glycine. If alanine, methyl group, inverted be valine, L-leucine, and isoleucine is isomer of leucine. Okay. And aromatic phenylalanine, tyrosine, phenylalanine normally converted to tyrosine by phenylalanine hydroxylase, then tryptophan, and then histidine. Okay, so 9 amino acid. Now, next group is